What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the AR Fun 95 Pro, and I have these Avan 2.3-inch tri-blades on it, cut down to 2 inches. See if we can focus a little better. There we go. So the Avans are cut down to 2 inches, and I'm using this 450 milliamp hour GMB battery from the ET100, from the ET series. And so pretty nice battery. Let's get this thing in the air. We're trying to do some FPV in the night. Flying it with a Devo 8S, and I'm using these SJ budget goggles. So let's try to get this thing all fired up. I'm gonna check off from right there. Get me a lean up against this post right here. See if we can lock in on the channel. Okay, we seem to be locked in on the channel. We're recording. So let's take it up. 8.2 volts. I have a receiver on here from the Baby Hawk, one of my Baby Hawk R's. So it's a little FR Sky G8 mode receiver. So let's check out the range, see if we got some good, decent range. I'm already impressed with the range. This battery is performing awesome. I'm a little quiet because I'm just enjoying the FPV. Pretty decent range with this too, this little receiver. Let's do some low flying. We have a crate or something back here. Okay, it's a truck back here. See if we can fly down low over here. The thing about these little cameras, you can see pretty well in the dark time, in the night. Of course, ghost branches are still a problem. We finally got some of the buzzer from this battery here. And we're at 3.35 volts, so let's bring it in. Where are we? There we go, right there. So that's it. Quick little night fly with this AR Fun Pro 95 with the Avan 2.3-inch props.
You play that thing at night and don't lose it?
Yeah, man.
Pretty good, dog.
Take it easy. Thanks for watching, guys.